The Alec Murdaugh case. Today, Murdaugh's attorney came out swinging against prosecutors. Dick Harpootlian says the state is dragging its feet when it comes to turning over evidence in this case. Now he's asking a judge to do something about that. WSAV's Andrew Davis is in the Lowcountry newsroom with the latest from both sides of this legal battle.
Well, one side says it's a gotcha prosecution. The other calls it a blatant attempt to create drama. It does depend on which side you listen to when it comes to releasing evidence in Alec Murdaugh's murder trial. And Murdaugh's attorney took his case to a judge and to reporters today.
Gotcha prosecution. It's trial by ambush. Give us the stuff.
Dick Harpootlian following up on his legal motion with a plea to prosecutors. It's been 32 days. Where's the evidence and discovery you're supposed to provide the defense?
You went to a grand jury and said you got enough evidence to convict Alec Murdaugh, convince a jury beyond a reasonable doubt. Where is it? I don't have a shred of paper. I don't have an email. I don't have an exhibit. I don't have any evidence.
Harpootlian says his team has gotten 0 items that connect Alec Murdaugh to the murders of his wife and son back in June of 2021 from the South Carolina Attorney General's office. Items by law he was supposed to have in hand by now.
All I know about blood splatter is what I read in some blog. I've never seen any blood splatter evidence. I've never seen any phone downloads. I've never seen any witness statements.
The AG's office claims they've delivered thousands of pages of discovery materials to the defense already. The only things missing are affidavits and search warrants that have to be unsealed by a judge.
The search warrants are a very tiny piece. There's all kinds of other stuff. There's the cell phone data, from the black box of his truck, forensics. We've never seen an autopsy. We've never seen, an analysis of time of death. We've never seen any of the sorts of basic things you'd want to know in a murder case.
Harpootlian says despite the delays, his team is working day and night to get ready for a trial, which he believes can happen in Colleton County and should happen sooner rather than later.
We will try this case in January, come hell or high water.
Now, a judge has Harpootlian's motion and the defense's response and could rule in the next few days. While prosecutors have not said if they would seek the death penalty in this case. When asked, Harpootlian said because it's a case based on circumstantial evidence, anyone that would do that would, quote, know what they or not be knowing what they are doing. Andrew Davis, WSAV News 3 on your side.
Andrew, thank you. And an alleged co-conspirator of Alec Murdaugh's faces yet another charge. A grand jury indicted Russell Lafitte for fraud involving a $500,000 line of credit that was supposed to be used for farming purposes. The new charge is in addition to 5 previous counts of alleged illegal financial activity. Lafitte also faces charges in state court. He was fired from the bank back in January.